Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the choice function from random module in Python. So let's assume a scenario that you have to select a random element from a given list or set or from a string. In these cases you can use the random.choice function, and this function selects an item from a non-empty series randomly. So let's create a program in which we will define a string, list, and set, and by using this choice method we'll randomly select a particular element. Okay, so let's say that I have random string, and let's keep my name. Okay, Atul Anand. Then let's create a random list, and in this we are going to create a list. Let's say I'm keeping it from 1 till 5, and then we are going to create a random set variable in which I'm going to create a set from 1 till 5. Okay, now if you want to select randomly any value from this given three variables, then you can use this random.choice. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to import this random module, and then let me correct the spelling, random set. Okay, and now we are going to select a random value using the choice function from these three given strings. So I can simply do one thing. Instead of declaring it like this, let's say random string equal to random dot choice, and I'm going to give this string over here. Similarly, I can take this random dot choice function and put it on this list, same as for the set also. Now let's print this everything. So let's print this random string. Let me copy this. Now let's print this random list, and let's print this random set. Now if I run it, you can see that we are getting u randomly from this given string. From this list between 1 to 5 we are getting 1. Similarly for this random set also we are getting 1. But if I run it again, you can see that we are getting a from this random string, 2 from this random list, and 3 from this random set. So this random choice function helps us to select an specific item which will be selected randomly from a non-empty series. So this is how basically you can use the choice function from the random module in Python. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.